Leaderboards play a critical role in the gamification process by harnessing competitiveness and fostering engagement. The visibility of rankings encourages friendly competition, drives continuous participation, and enhances the overall user experience. By highlighting achievements and progress, leaderboards create a sense of accomplishment and community, making the gamified system more interactive and rewarding, which, in turn, boosts retention and commitment as individuals are incentivized to reach higher standings and surpass their peers. Most participants will instinctively know what a leaderboard represents when they see one. However, there are many types of leaderboards that you can use to enhance your challenge. Challenge leaderboards are the most common and display participant progress as a horizontal bar chart. Similarly, activity leaderboards are used to display progress, but for only a single activity in the challenge. Maps can be used to simulate a virtual race with participant progress shown as markers along a route. Brackets can be used to determine tournament winners until a champion emerges. The main leaderboard is displayed first for both admins and participants. The admin can set the main leaderboard to display teams, individuals, daily results, or maps. By default, if teams are being used in the challenge, teams will be displayed on the leaderboard. Any participants not in teams will be displayed with teams. The participant view features a no disincentive leaderboard showing the 10 participants directly in front of the user in standings, as well as the 10 immediately behind them. The admin leaderboard always displays the top 20 participants on the main leaderboard. An activity leaderboard can be enabled for any activity in your challenge. A separate activity leaderboard can be enabled for some or all activities in the challenge. Like the main leaderboard, users see the 10 participants directly in front of them, as well as the 10 immediately behind them. The optional race map displays participant to team progress by using markers on a map. The race map starting line, finish line, and waypoints are selected by the admin. Milestones can be created for any of the waypoints or finish line to record the time when each participant reaches them. A point-based option is available to end the challenge for the user when the finish line is reached. Tournaments are actually a series of challenges that are auto-generated by the system. The challenge administrator creates the seed round where all participants or teams compete in order to be selected into the tournament. Afterwards, the system pairs competitors together to determine who will advance to the next round. While the main leaderboard is set by the admin, ancillary leaderboards are available to display additional data. The main and daily leaderboards with all active participants are always available. However, if the challenge is using teams, an individual leaderboard will also be available. In addition, if the admin has set up a race map, the map tab will be shown. Data is displayed on the leaderboard in real time. However, to keep the leaderboard uncluttered, if a challenge participant does not enter data, they will not be shown on the leaderboard. When using teams, the admin may choose to show the total data of all team members or averaged by the number of participants in the team. This is particularly useful when team sizes vary widely. By default, the leaderboard is ordered by points from high to low. However, it can be shown in reverse order for challenges that emphasize low points such as race times or maintain don't gain challenges. By default, the universal bar chart is displayed on the leaderboard to rank participants with the most points at the top of the page. Data is always displayed in points. One bit of activity data, such as a step, will equal 1 point by default. but a multiplier can be set to make it worth a fraction of a point to millions of points. This is particularly helpful when there are multiple activities in your challenge and you want to weight some activities higher than others. If multiple activities are used, each will display in its own color on the leaderboard. Milestones are displayed as vertical lines to easily identify if they have been crossed by a participant. The user or team picture will be shown on the leaderboard if it was uploaded. The admin has options with how participant identification is displayed on the leaderboard. The default option shows each participant's first and last name. For leaderboards containing more sensitive information like weight loss or when identities should be hidden, the anonymous option can be used. By default, the system-provided anonymous ID is shown. However, the admin may allow participants to choose their own alternative ID. With anonymous leaderboards, user avatar pictures are also hidden. When the challenge is simply about participants competing against a goal instead of against one another, or the admin wants to hide the full leaderboard until the end, they can choose to only display an individual leaderboard where participants only see their own data. Since leaderboards are crucial to fitness challenge gamification, this video was designed to show how they can be customized to meet your challenge's objectives using Challenge Runner. Thank you for viewing. For more information, please navigate to challengerunner.com/admin manual/challenge types or use the QR code.